So today we're going to be testing the receive capacities of 5 radios. We're going to use the Yaesu 857D as a control, and then we're going to test the Wouxun KG-UV8D, the Quancheng TG-UV2, the Baofeng UV-5R, and the Baofeng UV-5RE+, which is supposed to have an updated receive chip in it. Right now we're hearing the NOAA weather radio station in Astoria, Oregon, heard from North Portland, Oregon, about 100 miles. They have, I think, a 200-watt transmitter, and we're receiving them on 162.400 megahertz.
North wind 10 to 20 knots. Wind waves 1 to 3 feet. Southwest swell 8 feet to 10 seconds. A chance of rain.
We're receiving them on a home-built collinear antenna in the backyard, which has actually a very impressive receive capability for this type of radio, this VHF. We're showing 0 S units on the 857D. Oh, there's 1 S unit, so occasionally we'll see a little blink to an S unit, but basically no S units on the 857D. It will show about 2 S units at night, so maybe we'll try this again at night. Okay, that's this one.
Washington coast, issued at 2:54 p.m. Friday. Tonight, chance of rain in the evening, and rain after midnight. Lows around 50.
Okay, and here's with the squelch. It's holding the squelch most of the time.
Maybe heavy at times. Highs around 55. South wind 10 to 20 miles per hour.
There's pops in the audio when it's not holding the squelch.
45 miles per hour near beaches and headlands. Chance of rain.
Well, in conclusion, it appears to me that the Yaesu 857D and the Quancheng TG-UV2 are in one class, and that the Baofengs and the Wouxun are in a different class. This class, the Baofeng and Wouxun class, is one in which that signal cannot be heard even with the squelch held wide open. You can barely perceive that it's there, if at all. The Quancheng Yaesu class is the one in which the signal is 100% copy. Cannot hear, 100% copy. The Wouxun KG-UV8D is about 150 bucks or so, maybe a little more with the extended battery like this, and it has a crossband repeat functionality. If it could hear more stuff, it could probably repeat more stuff, but it's kind of a cool functionality. These little guys are like 35 bucks these days, and similar ones are about that expensive. And this is the new version, which is supposed to have a new and enhanced receive chip, but I couldn't really tell any difference between these two. Now the Quancheng retails around 80 bucks, maybe 90. I actually got this one for 92 when they sold for a little more, but I've seen them now on Amazon for 80. So, oh, by the way, Yaesu 857D is about $800. So if you're going to compare all these radios and you want to receive things on 2-meter FM, Quancheng won today. Especially bang for the buck. Quancheng just did a terrific job today.